Do you ever feel like you're drowning in tabs just to get one simple task done? Fellow is the world's first agentic browser. It researches, organizes, and acts for you. And for a limited time, you can get full early access to every feature completely free. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Fellow, that's Fellow with a U. It's an AI-powered browser that doesn't just search the web, it works the web for you. Fellow can research across multiple sites at once, summarize findings into clean visual reports, execute multi-step actions automatically, and even integrate data between apps without plugins or APIs. The link's going to be in the description as always. All right, head on over to fellow.ai and just come on over to the very top and click on download. I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows right here. Now, I am using the early access package, so if you're watching during the free trial window, you're going to get full access instantly. So just go ahead and download the platform to your desktop, and you can go ahead and click on install. Let's click on finish. All right, here we go. We've got Fellow all loaded up. So we're going to jump into the first demo. Now we're going to start with one of Fellow's flagship features, deep search. So all I'm going to do is come on over and click right here. And this is going to open up a prompt box at the very top where we can go ahead and enter in our task. So here is my task. I'm going to paste it right here. Now here is a very practical search. I have a budget of $100 and I want to find the best hotel options for prices in Vancouver for today. Now at the bottom here, I do have a few direct options. So if I want to search this directly with Google, I could do that just like a normal browser. I'm seeing OpenAI right here. So of course I could ask ChatGPT this as well. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on the one with the Fellow icon right here. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, here we go. So on the right hand side, Fellow is going to go ahead and jump into deep action here. So the first thing it's going to do is understand my intent. So acknowledging that my budget is $100 USD, it's going to search current hotel availability and pricing information. It's also going to compile the results into a comprehensive report with names, prices, key details, and booking links. And then you're going to see a breakdown of your task. So the deep search agent is going to put this into a bunch of steps. So it's going to go all the way from searching for available hotels in Vancouver for today. Let's say I'm in a bit of a pinch right now and I got to find a hotel with my budget. And it's going to take me all the way to step 6, where it's going to generate a visual report with hotel recommendations, prices, reviews, and booking details. So the whole 9 yards. Let's go ahead and click on run. Now what you're seeing here in real time is Fellow going in and manually doing this process for me across a bunch of different platforms at once. So it is like a little army compiling all this information, all this relevant information, and it's going to go ahead and compile this all and present it to me. Okay, now we can see our report is being generated here with all the data that has been compiled. All right, our report is ready to go. So we have a nice little bundled up report here. Now we do see a big warning at the top with a budget reality check, letting us know that finding hotels in Vancouver under $100 USD with good reviews and central locations is extremely challenging. Now, I'm not too surprised about that. So let's scroll down and see what our findings here. We've got a couple of nice sections. We've got overview, we've got hotel options, market analysis, and alternatives as well. Even a safety warning here. Let's come back to overview. We have positive findings and we have challenges as well. So we did actually find several highly rated hotels identified, good public transits, and alternative areas with better value propositions as well. And let's scroll down. We have a nice little pie chart here. We have direct booking information. So this is great when you're trying to find that exact phone number to call, final recommendations as well. And we have a list of a bunch of different references. So we can actually see that this leveraged a few Reddit threads as well. So that is pretty cool to see. And let's come over to hotel options. Now we have 3 strong options. We've got the Sylvia Hotel, YMCA Hotel, and the Burrard. And these are all going to be solid choices considering our budget constraints. And we have a market analysis section as well with some key insights and recommendations. And here's a hotel amenities comparison with our options. For instance, they all have Wi-Fi, one of them doesn't have parking. And if we keep going down, we see a market reality assessment. We have an alternative section as well that does offer some recommended alternatives. For instance, maybe we want to consider something outside of Vancouver and we could take public transit, or we can consider a hostile as well. This is really cool stuff. Now, if you were to do this the manual way, of course, you would load up a bunch of Google tabs, do a bunch of web searches. Maybe you'd search YouTube, Reddit, maybe you'd go on a bunch of other websites as well, and you might get bogged down pretty quickly, unsure if you're finding the best option or not. Now, with Fellou, I just typed in one sentence and it searches across logged in sources, and it even pulls data that I wouldn't typically always see on Google. This is just like having a research assistant baked into your browser. Next up, we're going to check out Fellou's deep action feature. Now, this is where Fellou moves from finding information to actually doing things for you. So let's say I'm job hunting. I'm going to give Fellou a simple command. So let's click right here and let's paste in my prompt. So here's what I want to do. I want to find 5 video editing jobs on Indeed that match my profile. On top of that, I want to autofill applications with my resume. So just like last time, let's click on the one with the Fellou logo right here. Right away, Fellou is asking some really smart follow-up questions. What I'm going to do is drag and drop my resume. I'm going to drop it right in here. And I'm going to say, here's my resume. And just like last time, we have all the different steps laid out, the plan of action. So this all looks good to me. Let's go ahead and click on run. All right, look at this. Fellou has gone ahead and opened up Indeed. Now, I was already logged in previously, so it is going in, as you can see, and doing exactly what we want it to do. So it is looking up video editor positions on Indeed. It's going to search this up. I'm not touching anything. It is off to the races. It's filtering the results with my criteria, so it is compiling the jobs that we're interested in that best match what I'm looking for, and it's going to go ahead and autofill my resume and apply to these positions, all while showing me a live workflow so I can follow along in real time. All right, now here is one of the 5 jobs it has gone ahead and applied for, and I just went ahead and paused the task at this point. Now you could get super creative with this one here. So if you have something that comes to mind, if you have a task that you're trying to get done, Fellou can truly step in and take care of the process from start to finish, even doing all the manual work, which is super impressive. Finally, let's talk cross-app integration. Fellou makes the process effortless. For example, let's come up to the very top and click right here. We're going to open up the chat bar on the right-hand side, and we're going to click on one of these suggestions in the bottom right. So this one reads, open Google Calendar and summarize my schedule for the week. Let's go ahead and click right here. And just like the first 2 demos, it's going to go ahead and break down our plan of action and lay out the relevant steps. First things first, we're going to navigate to Google Calendar, and then it's going to go all the way to step 6, which is generate a concise summary of my weekly commitments and available times. Let's go ahead and click on run. All right, and just like that, because Fellou had access to my Google account, it goes in and dives in and pulls all the relevant information and gives me a breakdown of my schedule for the week. So in this case, we have a simple text breakdown that I could go ahead and copy right here, or I could download it as well. And then of course, on the right-hand side in the chat, it confirms all the details as well. So with the click of a button, so it goes in, gets all the info I want without me actually having to go in and find it myself. Now, I couldn't wrap this up without at least mentioning everything else Fellou can do, including parallel multi-agent ops. Multiple AI agents can work simultaneously on different tasks. Now, we did actually see that in the first demo. Fellou had a bunch of different agents going into a bunch of different websites to find the information that we were looking for simultaneously. Agentic memory. Fellou remembers everything you've browsed and lets you query your history like a personal knowledge base. Now it is time for some launch details and final thoughts. Be on the lookout for Windows Fellou CE to be coming out for Windows very soon, as there's already an Apple and Intel version. Now, after giving this a shot today, I can confidently say Fellou genuinely changes how you browse, becoming the first agentic AI browser built for your ecosystem. Of course, you can give it a try at fellou.ai. With all that, good luck and have fun with your browsing.